Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chicken on the rocks shawarma. So here, let's talk about the ingredients. Here we have 2 boneless chicken pieces. We have 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. Here we have roasted garlic olive oil. To know how to make this, you guys will have to go check out my video, how to make tahini, and yeah, that's how you'll find out how you make this. The link to the video will be in the description box down below for you guys. So let's start with marinating this chicken. So in order to marinate this chicken, we are going to be mixing all of these spices. There we go. Now it's time to mix it. Make sure to mix it properly so you get an even amount of everything. And remember, this is to marinate your chicken piece. So I finished mixing my season. Now I'm about to marinate our chicken. Also, once you've filled your chicken with, once you've marinated the chicken with the spices, then you will add your yogurt. Okay guys, so I'm marinating my chicken and it smells amazing, guys. So make sure you mix all the spices in well so you get that perfect taste. And add some more yogurt on your chicken. Now I'm going to add my roasted garlic olive oil. And remember, if you want to know the recipe to this, go check out my video, which will be in the link description down below. Remember to mix in the oil well, the olive oil well. Okay guys, so I finished marinating my chicken and it looks fantastic. I highly recommend that you leave it for 5 to 8 minutes. But if you don't have the time, then you can put it on the barbecue immediately, or you guys can stir fry it on a pan. I have another suggestion that sounds a bit crazy, but it will be a bit fun. That you take some coals, put it in a pot, you take a glass jar, you put it in the middle of that pot, you put the meat in it, and then put the lid on, and then put the fire on, and it will cook amazingly. And by the way, this smells excellent, and I really hope that it tastes the way it smells. Here we go, guys. We have our chicken on the barbecue, looking real good. And then over here, we have Mr. Bunny. Yes. Can you guys see him? Just chillaxing there, waiting for us to give him food. Just look at that little bunny. Ever since I was little, I watched cartoons, and they always show the rabbit eating a carrot. But when I give this rabbit a carrot, he doesn't eat it. He just eats grass. He just eats all of this grass. Look at him. He seems so happy. Okay guys, my chicken has been barbecued and it looks extraordinary. The smell is amazing and I really hope that it tastes as good as it smells. So you guys can use, I'm going to be eating this with rice. For the rice recipe, you guys will have to go check out a different video for that. And which the link will be in the description box down below once it has posted. And you guys can use this with pita bread. And you guys can put some hummus on that. For the hummus, I have my own custom hummus that you guys can make yourself. It's a super easy recipe. But the link will be in the description box down below. So yeah, I hope you guys. And then like you guys on the pizza, you can add lettuce, tomato, onions, any kind of sauce you want. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to hit that subscribe button and like button. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.